Grammy Awards, Karinsan I Awards, yakinong ruay nong tem, kibapaw, jong kapertay. Yakani ka award show, last dang host nem, katkandai spa san pukandai. But ladon nagispa ngut kinong ruay nong tem, nakalenga pertay, kibala job yakini ki awards. Hakini ki hinrupu sa usnem balayad. But ka Grammy Awards, jong usnem arhajar arpulay, kalong ka baper ba. But baro ki brio, hakalenga pertay. Kia keren yakani ka award show, namar balapan I plen. Yaka Jingmane Ksuid, lani ka Satan worship. Arngut kinong ruay ki bapaw ba, Sam Smith, but ka Kim Petras. Haka musical performance jongki haka Grammy, kilapan I plen, yaka Jingmane Ksuid, but ka jing support yaki LGBTQ community. But Sam Smith haka account Twitter ka jongu. Ula delete no yakata ka reply ba utho. Haka por biginang practice yakani ka jing shot, but haka ta ka reply ula tho kumni. We are ready to worship. Gila long ki bapin kare ban money. Ti ki money you way. Haka ni ka jing ishimbanta ka jongki haka Grammys lapan ibu Sam Smith uyeng ka prengki kantay. But upong yaka tupya bapin mi yaki devil horns. Ki reng dung kusud. But haka ni ka por barway mo yaka stage lapan me ka ding. But yaka nong ruay ka barway lang but ka Kim Petras. Last said yaka hakaway ka cage. Host jong ka Grammy, balong ru comedian, Trevor Noah. Dala deb ka jing ruay jong Sam Smith but ka Petras. Pay sa ka camera, but pen berniay ki brio, da ka bapan iba phone yaka kamila jong, but wong, baka Hollywood kalong ka bamabha.
Yeah, you did warn me about Hollywood. Yes, you did, Mom. Yeah, you did. Yeah, I will. Thank you. She said she'll be praying for all of us. Thank you. All right.
Tangata, Marsen Deb, kani ka performance jong kini ki arngot ki artist. Lapan iya ka way ki advertisement, jong ka company Pfizer. Pikan mahawem, ka Pfizer company ka rikay, ka way ni kinong sna, yaw to COVID vaccine. Kipan I plen yangi, Shapang, Uksud, Shapang ka Satanism, but ki jingja ki baper haka pertay. Kum ka COVID, but ki wayda. Bagade ka jingle jong ki elites. Henry Boone ki brio kim smuto, yakani ka programming. Kanong ruay Kim Petras, kamday ka kantay, laka yaka kumushinrang. But ule ka sex change, haka por bo udap kanrusnam. But kani ka lapin pau nami namarba, yaki brio amsha pakinle ka sex change, kat bagim padap kat prasnam. Henry, uni ubrio bakot yaladi Kim Petras, ulayo le, yaka sex change haka por bo udap kanrusnam. Kani ka jingle ka jongu, kalapin pau nami but kam tambo de nong ruay, ki brio na silindat, ki badon haka Illuminati, ki panon kam daga durkamat ka jong ban promote yaka LGBTQ community. Sngap hakanik interview, uniu Kim Petras uang yu.
I think a lot of people honestly have kind of labeled what I stand for and what Sam stands for as religiously not cool. And I personally grew up wondering about religion and wanting to be a part of it, but then slowly realizing it doesn't want me to be a part of it. And so yeah, it's a take on not being able to choose religion and not being able to, live the way that people might want you to live. Because, as a trans person, I'm kind of already not wanted in religion. So we were doing a take on that, and I was kind of Hellkeeper Kim.
Uni unong ruay shanrang, ubalakalakan tay, Kim Petras, ula jobru, yakaway na ki awards, host nam arhajar arpulay, jong ka Grammys, but Sam Smith. Sam Smith, ulapan banapertay yaladi, baude ugi, but ukarshan ba, yaka LGBTQ community. Ka Grammys, kaya leban kanyat, yaka Satanism, homosexuality, LGBTQ communities, limba, kiniki award show ki jongki, balimba, ki jingruay, jongki nong ruay nong tem. Ban pedrung haka jabing jongki brio, haka jabing jongki kalung kana, ki basngap ki jingruay ki jongki, bakin pediang, yaka Satanism, but yaka LGBTQ community. Tangkini, Henry ki artist kumka Nicki Minaj, kalapan yaki tagi demonic rituals ki jongki, hapo ka Grammys jongus nem arjar katsan. Haga ni ka jing shot jongka Nicki Minaj kalapan bakala siya possess, lani bakala sabat Ksuid. But bakala shale exorcist na marbuni Ksuid, udi Ksuid, badon ye ka bor junga sexuality. Pinda pej iki jingruai junga dinga nongruai. Pinyo baka promote bahaya ka sex, ban pen baka sex kalong ka jinglekai. But ki lyrics lani ki kantin jungi jingruai jung karu, kilong ki bakhor bah. Tagadaw bun bah ki klung na, ki samla haka porthay brokaway, ki shakte haki jingruai ki jungka. Pet tangi ki khun ki kti ki jung pi hayeng, ki ba snap ki jingruai jungka, ki ba shot reels haki jingruai ki jungka. La program lupa ban kring ye ki kana samla, dekini ki jingruai klamakor ki jungka. Haka Grammys jung snem arjar khatsaw la pen ka nongruai ki ti peri, baka perform ye ka wika jingruai ka jungka, ka bakratenga dark horse. But haka ni ka jingruai la pen plen ye ka promotion of Satanism. Ka nongruai madonaru ka le kumju. Haka Grammys jung snem arjar khatsan, haka ba ka pen ladi baka don, but ki brio, ki ba mania ka kum kablay. Om tangkata ka madona ka lariam ladi kum ka kemi jung ujisu. Ka Maria, ban mok lani ban pentobria, ye kan yam kristan. Ka music lani ki jingruai, kadei ka ika baklan bor ba, yang ki brio. Pila ban connect pun ki lingba ka music. Nadu ki por menchua, hadu menta, lapan don kam, daka jingruai, ban mani yu blay. Henry menta pan, lapan don kam diki jingruai, ban pen mani yu Ksuid. Ban promote ye ka gay culture, ban promote ye ki LGBTQ community, ban penlong kam ka ye ka sex, ban penjabo ye ka jingmut jing perkhat jung ki khun samla. Lada don ki kimi ki kpa ki bapet ye ka ni ka video. Lada don ki mention rang jung kinu ki para kan thei. Lani ki para shin rang jung kinu ki men kan thei. Jung ki yeng baper. Wat ay lad ba ki khun kan thei ki jung pi. Ki para kan thei lani ki men kan thei ki jung pi. Kin ngop hakini ki jingruai. Jong kini ki artist ki bakwa wanra. Ye ka jing jabo haka jingmut jing perkhat ka jongki. Petang ha Instagram ka nungut ki kantai samla kasi ki jongi. Ki ba ya shot reel sa ki bikini ki ba pen ilod ye ka met ka phat ka jongki. Kumba kim don show ka akor ka burom. Ksuid news ye ka music persya yangi. Lano Ngin Kyndit.